you? Am I being detained?
No, you can stand right here.
Name and badge number.
You can stand right here and record all you
Name
want.
and badge number. You're presenting yourself as law enforcement.
Here's an application to record inside the post office. If you want to record inside the post office, you have to have permission from the post office to do it. Here's your application.
That violates the First Amendment.
It doesn't. I'm just giving you the abilities to legally and rightly go through the process to record.
You never had the right to take them away, and the post office never had the right to restrict them.
Stop. Stop.
I know at some facilities you cannot take pictures or videotape their facilities from anywhere. I know that is a crime. Do I know that?
You see, this cop doesn't know what he's talking about.
Well, when it comes to federal laws. Are you guys okay with him standing out here? Because if he's okay, I'm getting out of here. He's being a major asshole. That's his right. That's fine. I don't care.
We have cops violating rights. Let's watch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Peeps, and in today's video, cops try and fail to restrict the right to record in public. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Leave a comment and a like to help this video spread for others to enjoy. As always, I will leave the links to all the original videos in the description below, so be sure to visit their channels and show them your support. Now let's get into the video. A cop's lack of knowledge on public photography rights can sometimes be comical, even though it's not something to joke about or take lightly. While it might seem counterintuitive, situations where police officers don't fully understand or respect the public's right to photograph or video in public spaces can indeed and does occur, just like in the following clip. Let's watch.
This is the person that denied me access to the counter. By law, I have a right to be there.
Where? Here?
Yes, this is a public area.
Here's the thing, though. Due to the sense of nature of the post office, you need to have
648 AEM.
You have to have permission to record in there.
No, I don't.
Yes,
by
you do.
law.
No,
The U.S. Supreme Court's repeatedly ruled in my favor. Who are you? Am I being detained?
No, you can stand
Name
right
and badge
here.
number.
You can stand right here and record all
Name
you
and
want.
badge number. You're presenting yourself as law enforcement.
Here's an application to record inside the post office. If you want to record inside the post office, you have to have permission from the post office to do it. Here's your application.
That violates the First Amendment.
It doesn't. Take the application, fill out the application, turn it into postal service.
Am I being detained?
Hell no, we're standing here having a conversation.
Good, and you're not giving a name or badge number.
That's okay, my name and badge number is right there. Also, the blinky red light on my body cam shows I'm recording you too. So in case you want to post that wherever, be my guest. I'm trying to give you an application to record inside the post office.
Why are you covering your body camera then?
I'm covering my flashlight.
Why are you covering your flashlight?
Why can't I cover my flashlight? Why can't I put my hand on my vest? You have an issue with me putting my hand on my vest? Or you threatening me by me putting my hand on your vest? My vest. Take the application to record in the post office.
Or what?
Or don't record in the post office. Either way, you can't record in the post office.
You can't charge me and you can't touch or...
I'm not recharging you with anything, Ms. Ferris. All
Good.
I'm doing is giving you an opportunity.
I'm refusing to apply because it's my right as a U.S. citizen.
You're right. If you want to stand out here and record all you want...
No, not just out here, but in there.
You can't. Due to the sensitive nature of what goes on in there, people's addresses, home addresses, P.O. boxes, you cannot
It's
record
all
in there.
public.
It's not. It's
Those
not.
mailboxes are not sensitive in nature, neither are house numbers or names displayed on them.
But that's out in the open. If you're in there
So
trying
is
to record,
that.
hold on, let me talk to you.
That is out in the
Hold
open
on.
too.
If you want to stand in there, whatever. But if you're standing there trying to record the post employees as they're doing their jobs, as they're sorting mail, whatever, there is documents in there that you can't record.
Well, in that case, it's their job to create the expectation of privacy.
Here's the application that I was given from the post office. If you want to record in the post office, fill that out. Please take the application.
Or what?
Or nothing. You
Good.
either take the application or you don't take the application. I'm just giving you the abilities to legally and rightly go through the process to record.
You never had the right to take them away, and the post office never had the right
Stop.
to restrict them.
Stop. Stop. I am giving you the correct way to do this. I am giving you the option to do this correctly. Okay? Either you can take my application and fill it out, which is all I'm asking you to do, or I'm going to leave and you can continue to stand here all you want and I'm not going to stop you. However, if we cut another violation and the Post Inspector General tells me you cannot by federal law record in there, I am coming back.
Well, if the Supreme Court tells you by federal law that I have the right to record there, I can press charges against you and your person.
You can record me here all you want.
They said I can record inside that lobby. By law, it's an expectation of, you have to create any privacy.
Here's the application.
No.
You don't want the application?
I have the right to record there already.
We'll see what happens when this Post Inspector General gets back in touch with me.
Okay, because I'm pressing charges.
Be warned, if he tells me it's a violation of federal law to you record his employees, I'm seizing your phone and doing a search warrant.
You'll need to have the search warrant first, and I'll need to verify the judge's signature.
You sell that to social media. It takes me 1 minute to download your video and put it in front of the judge. I'll get my warrant.
It is concerning when officers impede or try to prevent the right to record in public, as it potentially infringes upon an individual's civil liberties. This right is firmly rooted in the First Amendment, which protects freedom of speech and expression. Recording police and taxpayer-funded entities serves as a vital check and balance, promoting transparency and accountability. This is not about ridiculing public officials or police officers, but rather about upholding constitutional rights and ensuring accountability in law enforcement.
Oh, they're grabbing me. They're grabbing me. Am I being detained or what?
Hold this for you,
Okay, I'm being detained.
Stop, man.
I'm illegally being
I'm
detained.
gonna hold this for you. We're gonna set it right here on the ground, okay?
What do you got in your pocket? You got anything in your pocket?
We're gonna set that down on the ground for you.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
I don't consent to any searches or seizures of my property.
Do you have any weapons?
I do
or
not
anything
consent
like that,
for you
sir?
to undress me, sir.
Okay, well your face is covered up here right now, okay?
Is that against the law, sir?
Degrees, you're covering your face.
Is that against the law?
What's going on,
Well, it's
man?
a business when you're standing outside of a
I'm done
of a
answering
secure
questions.
zone. You're standing outside of a secure zone facility, a military facility. You got your face covered up. You're videotaping the facility.
What are you trying to prove out here, man?
I'm a citizen journalist. I'm gathering content for a story, and I was attacked by 3 cops.
You were attacked?
From the Warren Police Department. We got
Kanaya 133.
You were attacked?
who do we got here? Reed.
Officer Reed, 140.
Who's this holding my left arm, bending my wrist?
Rose.
Officer Rose,
Yeah.
025. Is that correct?
Okay,
Thank you, Officer Rose.
Write him down. Where do you live? That's all I wanted to do. It's popping out right here.
We
and
just
it's
want to
popping out
make
on the
sure you
sides.
don't have
You're
any
making
weapons.
motions.
And
Okay, guys.
you know
Look
you
at my arms here. These guys, these
Listen.
cops,
Oh, don't even
these
start with
cops
that.
assaulted me.
very
This is an
well-
assault.
It's
This was an
actually
attack.
Okay.
It's not. Would you like medical assistance, sir? Would you like medical assistance? I can call the fire department for you if you'd like. Do you want medical assistance?
You guys are dismissed. You may leave now.
No, we're not.
No. We got called out here for.
Do you have a license to be out here right now
521 dispatch.
doing this journalism? Do you have a license to be out here right now? No, you don't, do you?
I'm all set. Did you get a hold of anything?
We ID you.
Okay, so you
Listen.
see none of these cops have body cameras on, so they attacked me. I have it all recorded.
So do we.
They did not
We have
record it.
microphones.
You have your ID and we'll be out of here.
In the city of Warren, there's an ordinance that if someone calls out here to investigate a crime, you must identify yourself. Just want you to know that, okay?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
We got called out here.
Do you suspect me of committing
matter.
a crime? Yes or no?
Hold on.
Yes, I do.
Listen.
Yes, we do.
Listen.
What crime is that, sir?
I'm not sure. But it's awfully
Somebody
suspicious to
called
me.
you. Somebody called us, okay? You made somebody nervous enough to call. You can get your hat. Go ahead. Listen, you made somebody nervous enough to call us, correct? Okay? That arm right there is technically, you can grab that arm, okay? You can't hurt me with a camera. I'm just saying. They called us out here, okay? We're investigating a crime. If a crime had been committed, you'd be in handcuffs, you'd be in the backseat of a car. However, you're making gestures towards your hip.
What crime do you suspect me of committing, Officer Kanaya?
I don't suspect you of committing anything right now. However, you are detained right now because we are investigating a crime because somebody called us out here. And due to that fact, okay, And I'm going to speak with these gentlemen right here, okay? Due to that fact, you have to identify yourself.
Okay, guys, you see what kind of
Stay there.
company we get from
Stay
photography.
here.
I am detained.
Yes, you are. Reasonable suspicion that a crime is afoot right now.
Okay.
Okay. What's your YouTube channel?
This is necessary, honestly, though. This is speaking man to man right now, not officer to whatever your name is. Is it necessary to do all this? I'm just asking you. You can leave it on, you can turn it off and talk to me, I don't care. We weren't trying to make a big deal, we're just seeing what's going on. You're more than well within your right to stand out here and do whatever you want. However, I'm not sure about the rules on videotaping federal facilities, but I know at some facilities you cannot take pictures or videotape their facilities from anywhere. I know that is a crime. Do I know
so
that?
You see this cop doesn't know what he's talking about.
Well, when it comes to federal laws. Are you guys okay with this guy standing out here?
They said they've had them all out here before.
Are you guys okay with him standing out here? Because if he's okay, I'm getting out of here. He's being a major asshole, that's his right. That's fine. I don't care. He's okay to be here? All right. You have a nice day, sir.
Photographers and camera-wielding individuals are legally protected through the First Amendment's freedom of speech and press to document freely and unmolested. Unfortunately, law enforcement officers have been known to ask people to stop taking photographs of public places, and those who fail to comply have sometimes been harassed, detained, and even arrested by cops who are uninformed or plainly do not care about our rights or the oaths they swore to protect.